Dick Capani's Capital Ford Mazda Hyundai. Quality, selection, service, and value.
Presenting the 2011 Ford Expedition. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Dick Capani's Capital Ford Mazda Hyundai, 3660 South Carson Street, Carson City, Nevada. Come visit your President's award-winning dealer today.